everyone, welcome back. We're going to do some 3D text and put a gold shader on it that looks realistic. And in the end, we're going to create a macro and save it. There will also be a free preset in the description below if you don't want to build the macro. But if you want to learn how to do it, follow along. Start out with a 3D text node. Put the text you're liking up in the box. Put that in viewer 1. Go to excursion here. Set the excursion depth to 0.15. If you go up here to this little icon here, hit that. Now we can see it more 3D. On the bevel depth and bevel width, go 0.02. We have a somewhat rounded edge, but has a little bit of a curve to it, or a flat surface to it. We want to make that more rounded. Let's go to custom. Select both of them and hit F on the keyboard, as in Frank. That'll flatten them. Now we want to grab these little handles and bring them all the way out. Now if you look up in viewer 1, it's rounded much better. Okay, select the text node. Hit Shift Spacebar. Type replace material. Replace material 3D is the one we want. Now go up to the left here under Effects, Templates, Fusion, Shaders, and Gold Bump. Connect that and put it in viewer 1. That's really not what we're looking for, so we're going to go into that node and take some stuff out. Double click it. We want to delete all the nodes all the way down to the blur. Go ahead and close it. Now if you look up at the viewer, it looks much better. Select the gold bump node and the color box in the inspector. I'll take this a little bit more to the oranges, I think, here. We can always come back to that. Select the Replace Material node and render. And then color corrector. Go back to the gold bump node. Let's put the render in the viewer 2. I see our text is too high. So go to the text node in the inspector, hit the center V anchor, and that'll line you up in the center. Okay, let's go select the gold bump node again. Take the face on strength all the way down to the right. Or shall I say up to the right. Now your text should be real shiny. Go back to the color correct node. Go to the inspector. Let's go ahead and connect the color corrector to the media out and put that in viewer 2. Just move that around between the yellow and the orange to where you see what you like. Okay, I'm going to go with that. Now we'll do the macro. One more thing before we do that, though. Select the Replace Material node. Shift spacebar. And type in Transform. Transform 3D is what we want. Now with that node selected, we can go in the inspector under rotation and move the text around. Looks pretty gold. Make sure you set them back to 0. Okay, now we're ready to do the macro. Okay, let's start with hold the control button down on the keyboard. We'll start with the text node, color corrector, transform, then A for all. Right click on any one of these nodes. Go up to macro, create macro. Give it a name. Just follow along as I go. We don't need any of the colors because they will not work anyhow. Under layout, just type in centers all. Under Transform 3D1, Rotation X, Y, and Z. Media in or media out, make sure both media in and out is selected. We have to have one of each. Okay, that should be it. Now go up to the top left, the file. Save as group. So you can save on your desktop or in any folder. Close the macro. Now we'll open our folder and then we'll go in and I'll show you how to put it in Resolve. Go up top left under Effects, Template, Edit, Titles, I have my own file here. Right click, Show Folder, this is the one I want, what we just made. I'll copy it and paste it into my Resolve folder. We may have to start Resolve over, but we'll see if it's in. If it doesn't show, go up to the very top in the inspector and select Title. And there you have everything you need. Change the text. V-anchors. Write-on effect. Excursion. And the 3 dials to rotate and animate your text. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.